Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm out walking this morning and something came to mind that in our walk of life, sometimes we are faced with challenges, battles, things that seem to want to slow us down. Yeah, sometimes we call those things valleys, and sometimes we call them hills. So as I walk in the morning, when I get to the part of my walk on this track that takes me up the hill, I usually start running. That's where I am now. And I'm just gonna run just a little bit. When I come back around, I'll take that hill and I'm gonna run. If you're facing some challenges in your life, just know that God said He'll never leave you and He'll never forsake you. He's got your back. Yes. So in your walk, sometimes when the challenges come, you got to start running just to push your way through. And that's my word for you today. Don't give up. Be persistent. Speed up the pace and move through. Because when you get through, you can give God the glory. Have a wonderful day.